Okay, so now we are inside of WordPress. One of the first things I want you to do is I want you to actually go to your website. Okay, you haven't even looked to see what does your website look like right now. So type up here in the address bar your domain name. Now that we have installed WordPress completely on your server, go ahead and check out what your website looks like. Check it out. You actually have a website now. Okay, it says fabulous photography tips up here, photo tips, hello world, welcome to WordPress. This is your first post, edit, delete, and then start blogging. Well, we're not using this only as a blog. We are using this as an actual website as well. So I want you to keep that window open, but go back to your WordPress dashboard. Okay, this is your dashboard. This is where you'll see if anybody commented on your your blog posts, how many pages you have, how many posts you have, how many categories. This kind of gives you an overall view of everything on your website. Now, I am going to bounce around a little over here, so please stick with me. We're going to go to appearance because we want to kind of customize the look of this site. You know, maybe you don't want the trees, maybe you want a different banner, maybe you want us to create a custom banner for you. If you do, simply email me at askinternetamy@gmail.com so that we can get a custom banner put together for you. Okay, so we're going to click over here on appearance. Okay, appearance is going to show you what themes you have available, what you've got on your WordPress site. Now, I will tell you that if you go to Google, you can always find WordPress themes. You can type in free WordPress themes and it will show you some different themes. Now, what I do want to let you know, okay, what I do want to let you know is that if you choose to go with any of these other themes, I cannot help you or answer questions on how those go because there are thousands of themes in here. It says actually 1,405 different themes that you can look for if you go to wordpress.org/extend/themes, or as I said, you can simply Google it, free WordPress themes or WordPress themes. There are some that are premium themes that have a lot of features built in that will cost you money. Some of them are great. And again, I'm just showing you how to set up a basic site. So if you want to change themes, you're welcome to. I just can't answer any questions on how they work. You have to go directly to the person who created the theme. So we're back here in our theme, okay? It'll say themes, widgets, menus, background, header, or editor. This editor at the bottom, this is where the actual code is for your theme. Do not touch this editor part. This will break your website. If you screw up any of this code back here, your website will break. You will have to start all over again and you may lose your content. So please do not touch the theme, the editor back here under appearance. Okay, we'll work our way from the bottom up. Now we go to our header. Here is the header that's currently on the website. If you want to use one of their default images, you can simply click a button, save the changes. Now let's go back to our website, refresh the page. Boom. Look at that, you got a new header. Want to do it again? Check this out. Click it, save, and refresh. Boom, you got a new header. So they have some default headers in here. This is going to show you the one that you have on your site. Or you can always upload a custom header, okay, from your computer. Or as I said, you can have us do it. You can remove the header completely so that there is no header image up there. But we're just going to leave it this way, okay? Actually, I kind of like this one. Yeah, we like that one. Okay, so now let's check out our site. Yeah, that one's all right. I like this last one better. Okay, there we go. So we've saved our changes. Now we're going to go to the background. I would recommend personally, this is the default background, this light gray and the white. You can either upload an image so the background is an image, or you can have a different color for your background. Let's see, what if I want to do some sort of a, let's do a blue-green here. So you just move these little dots around, and this is showing you what color your background is going to be. What did that picture have? Oh, wait. Let's refresh the page, make sure we have the right Okay, I kind of like this blue. So let's try to find that blue, something similar to that kind of blue. Kind of a cornstarchy blue. How's that? Okay, let's try that. Now let's save changes. Let's come back to our blog, our website. There we go. Hey, that's pretty close. Not too shabby. So now we've got a nice picture and a nice background color for our website. Menus, we don't need to worry about the menus. Okay, you're going to leave that alone for now. And we're also going to leave the widgets alone. What widgets are right here, recent posts, recent comments, archives, categories, and metadata. We can move all of those. We can remove those with the widgets. See right here, these match. If you want to take one away, let's see, let's take the archives away. We simply move it over. And now let's refresh our page. It says archives right there. If I refresh my page, that should be gone. Now it's gone. So in real time, you can see yourself adjusting and changing things. There's a secondary widget area. So you can have a secondary widget area down below here. You can have a footer widget. Okay, there's second, footer, first, 2, 3. There's 4 places you could have footer widgets down here. And as I said, we can just move some of these things. Let's say, actually, let's put something in everyone so that you can see what it looks like. Categories we'll put in our secondary one. Display as a drop down. Save. Now refresh. Now watch this. Look, there's your categories. This is our second widget area. First footer, let's put a tag cloud. Actually, no, let's go ahead and put our pages down there. Okay, I'm just showing you this just so that you can see where these are going on your page. So you can always kind of play around with these. Okay, it's pages, sample page. We can, if we wanted, put plain text or some HTML in a widget area. Let's put it, yeah, let's do this. Grab this text and we're just drag and drop it. This is so cool to be able to do that. Text, and we're going to put, this is cool. Here's where we can put whatever text we want. Okay, so we're going to save that. Come back over here, refresh. So you've got 4 areas down here that you can put widgets and put text or pictures or what have you. So we've got a 3rd area and a 4th area. Let's go ahead and put our calendar. Let's put our calendar down there. Oh, come on. So we put the text. Now let's put the calendar in the 3rd one. And then in the 4th one, we'll go ahead and put our RSS feed. Oops, where did it go? Did I drop it? I dropped it. Okay, you have to hold down while you're dragging it down here. There we go. Okay, RSS feed. So we have the RSS. I'm just going to put Google here for a minute. Okay, so save. Now let's look at our page. There we go, our calendar. Oh, and our RSS would be here, but I didn't put the right feed in there. I didn't put the right URL. It won't accept just google.com. Okay, let's delete the RSS. Let's put something else there then. Let's go ahead and put our links. There we go. Now our 4th widget area. There we go. So there we've got our links. Okay. So we've got 4 different places we can put information. If you wanted, you could have about us, you could have links, you could have anything you want down here. Very simple, very easy to customize your website. All right, excellent. You guys are doing great. So now what we want to do is now we want to go to the settings. And the site title, this is the site title right here. Okay, this is your site title. I don't like that it's all lowercase. I don't like that it's all run together or that it has the .com. So I'm going to put fabulous. Oops. Photography tips. The tagline is where pictures become art. How's that? Site URL, the address, yes, that's all correct. July the 7th, yes, all of this is correct. So we're going to go ahead and save that. And then as soon as we've saved that, we're going to go ahead and refresh our page and check out what our site is looking like. We're going to put where pictures become art. Okay. So we should be able to refresh in a moment. There you go. So now it's all separated. And this will change it where pictures become art. That's my tagline. And now we've got all of our information here. Excellent. This is getting to be fun. Now we've got writing. Okay. Size of the post box, 20 lines. I really don't change anything in here. To be honest with you, I don't change a thing in here, so you don't have to worry about it. Reading, I don't change anything in there. So you don't have to do anything with the rest of these links over here. Okay, these are media settings for when you put pictures or videos on your site. Privacy. Again, do you want your site to be visible to the search engines, or do you want to block it from search engines? You want it to be visible. You want to be seen by Google, by Bing, by Yahoo. You want to be seen by the search engines. And then permalinks. Don't mess with anything in there either. Okay, don't mess with the permalinks. All right, excellent. So that is what we're going to do in this tidbit of building your website. So the next thing that we will do after this is going in and creating pages and posts, and we will install some plugins.